Minister Soini, as the topic of the forum is Baltic Sea Region cooperation during challenging times, what would you consider to be the main challenges in the Baltic Sea region?
I think that all the cooperation is pivotal what comes to the Baltic Sea, because it's a lifeline for our economy and security. And of course, economic and security questions are very important, but also what comes to maritime safety, what comes to the flight safety, and also pollution issues and environmental issues. So we need cooperation on the many tracks, and that is why these kind of conferences are very pivotal in order to get a widespread picture what comes to the challenges and good sides of the Baltic Sea.
It was very interesting to listen to Foreign Minister Soini, and also discussion about the hybrid threats is very salient, very pertinent comments that were made, and I think it also reflects the cutting edge of the debate on ownership issues, on maritime security, and as then the Chargé d'Affaires of the United States Embassy said, even environmental issues are very important to not forget. So hard security, soft security, I think we're already covering a whole lot of important issues.
I think the hybrid threats and the issue of hybrid warfare is the issue that unites all the states, all the countries in the Baltic Sea region. So it is a very good opportunity to express our ideas and to discuss what could be the way forward in terms of how to counter hybrid threats.
Of course, the environmental issues is one of the most important things, because for us, sea has always been it's not only the place where, or the environment which you can use for the business or so whatsoever, but it's also recreation, it's time spending there, and that's why we are so interested and keen on taking care of our very beloved sea. One very important other relationship is to discuss with the cities, to do very much cooperation between the cities, because in city level you are quite often solving those problems in everyday life which are important for the people.
All the security and the environment issues, and also the digitalization, which we are very much working on, and here we have very many important partners as well for us. So excellent situation to meet each other and find also our issues known better here.
And which panel or speaker do you find most interesting and why?
The first one about the policy and about the hybrid. It was very interesting because they were all very different kind of point of views. They were the industry or the harbors, and then they were the politicians and their views. It was not only the transport but also infrastructure and politicians and environment point of view, and also the studies and researchers were well represented in that panel. So it was very wild introduction of the Baltic issues. Why Baltic Sea is so important to Finland and the whole area of Baltic countries, to every Baltic country.